Welcome back to Tastuned. In this episode, I try and put a few more miles on the Torana and do that, but not for long. Stay tuned. so you might have seen the end of the last clip. The distributor, I think, made a horrible noise, like it was skipping teeth or something, and then the rotor isn't spinning, so who knows what that is. I'm hoping it hasn't taken the teeth off the cam. So I'm about to pull it out now, see what's happened. Hopefully it's just broken the split pin, or possibly the depth was all wrong, because it was making a weird noise at the back of the engine. I couldn't figure out what it was, so I've got the other one I pulled out. I'm going to measure that if this is all still together, and might need to pack it up or down or something to try and get that height right, but here goes. Right, okay. I don't know. I'm going to have to get the torch and look down that hole. Those teeth on the thing look a little bit flat, but I don't know. I'll have to go and just check this against the other one I pulled out. Let's see if you can see down there. So, yeah, I'll just have to sort of check that height against what I pulled out. See what the deal is. All right, so I've got the old one. Look, they obviously look very different, but let's have a look. All right, so that's the bottom of the gasket. This one. That is exactly the same. Diameters of these are 31 point something mil. 31 point something mil. I don't know why, or whether or not the block's only supported maybe there, and that's been able to like pivot a little bit away and just skip across. I'll have a look at the block and measure it. That looks all good. The cam gear sticks in about probably 3 millimeters or 1/8 of an inch. Looks like the support all the way down. I reckon, because I've got a bit of silicone coming on the outside of this, I reckon the distributor wasn't sitting down far enough. You see that silicone? See that silicone there? I reckon the distributor just wasn't sitting all the way down and has moved up, skipped across. It doesn't seem terminal anyway, so that's good. Alright, so that's all I'm going to have time for this episode, but fingers crossed, it's all okay. I'm pretty confident everything's going to be all right. I don't think that distributor was down far enough. Yeah, I'll clean that up, reseat it, try and get that back in later over the weekend. And then if I do, we'll get another video and do a bit of cruising, some actual driving. Still haven't really had a chance to drive this thing properly yet, so fingers crossed. That's all going to be good. It looks fine. I think I might have dodged a bullet. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.